Hello people, my name is Sierra, aka Naturally Nefertiti, and I'm bringing you a skincare routine finally. Yes, long awaited, it's finally here, and now you can see how I get this lovely skin. So a little story time. I used to have really bad, not really bad, but I used to have bad acne like my freshman year of high school, and then once I got it under control, I had probably multiple breakouts up until my literally 21st birthday. 21st birthday, I guess I finally got my skincare routine in order, or it was less hormones, whatever, and I stopped having breakouts. And so I have stuck with my skincare routine for the last 4 years, have not changed it. So I'm here to share it with you guys. And this video is brought to you by Duval. So they sent me one of their Radiance skincare systems. So basically it's a spin brush that comes with different attachments. So we have a gentle brush, an exfoliating brush, we have a body brush, and we have a pumice stone. So I've been using this system for about 2-3 weeks now, and I absolutely love it. It makes my skincare routine even that much better. So stay tuned to see how I use it. So number one, this is my morning skincare routine. So I always wash my face at night, so my face should be clean of all makeup, etc. So I don't have to worry about like wiping my makeup off. But I always use my DIY black soap, face soap. I have a video about how I make this. I'll leave it in the description box. Then I follow up with aloe vera gel as my toner. And then I go in with sunscreen and vitamin E oil. Super simple skincare routine. I only use those 4 products. Sometimes in my nighttime routine, I'll go in with a face mask, but I am not a super big skincare person because what I use works, and so I don't like to try a whole bunch of new crazy things. So just those 4 products. Let's see how I use them. So first, just go in, wet your face. Okay, then I'm using the exfoliating brush today. I usually switch between the gentle and exfoliating. Then I like to put some of my soap directly on the brush. Then I like lather it up. Then we spin. So this has just black soap, tea tree oil, and water in it. And so black soap is like cleansing, but then the tea tree oil has like anti-fungal, antibacterial properties. So it's really good to like prevent breakouts, dry up any bumps you may have. So I should be starting my period soon, and I always get like 1 or 2 like period bumps. So I'm trying to dry those out. And I just go in circular motions. Make sure I get my chin, under my chin, and that's it. And I don't know if you can see that, but like you can see that. Well, my camera died, so we're back. But basically I was showing you that after you clean with the exfoliating brush especially, you can see like the whiteness color will change. That tells you know that your skin was kind of dirty still. So next I'm going in with my aloe vera gel. I use one of these cotton pads and just put some on there, and then I rub it on my skin. This is my toner. It's very calming and cooling. Always make sure to get under my chin. And no dirt. Then I let that dry for a little bit. I go in with the Eucerin Daily Protection Face Lotion SPF 30, and I just do like half a pump, that much. And I go in with a couple drops of vitamin E oil. And this Eucerin does give you like a little white cast, but it goes away after a little bit. And I use sunscreen every single day, especially, well, in the summertime I do. Spring and summer I use SPF face lotion every single day. And that's it. I make sure to rub it in really well. And this is what my face looks like. So I have a couple of dark spots that I'm working on getting rid of. That's just like the one like really prominent one. I have one right there as well. And then, but yeah, no active breakouts. Here's my one period bump right there, but I think that might be one. These two are my period bumps. But besides that, nice clear skin. I do get facials every once in a while when I find like deals on Groupon, or if like Mario Badescu has a sale, but not too often. Like I said, I use face masks. I try to do them once a week. I also use pore strips sometimes, like on my nose and on my chin, because I do get whiteheads and blackheads in my T-zone area kind of. So I just want to say thank you to Duval Products for sending me their Radiance skincare spin brush system. It's absolutely amazing. I love it so much, and it has really like rejuvenated my skincare routine. So thank you. If you want one, I'm gonna be leaving a discount code in the description box for 70% off, so you can get the skincare system for about $28, which is a super steal because it usually goes for like $100. So check the description box down below if you want to try out the spin brush. But yeah, that's my morning skincare routine. If you have any questions, leave it down below. Like I said, make sure you watch my video about how I make this. And yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Until next time.